Hi there and welcome back. I hope you had a nice week. In this video I'm gonna be showing you a time-lapse of a painting I've called Child of the Moon. It's gonna show a little girl lying on the moon reaching for a little star. It's an acrylic painting on black paper. I've really enjoyed playing with acrylics on black paper. I believe it's really a very enjoyable experience for me. It actually makes the colors pop a lot, and I really like that effect. As I've experimented a bit for some time with this, I've actually come to a point where I know which colors are actually going to shine more and look better on paper, so I believe that choose the colors that better will suit this illustration. And well, I'm not gonna be talking a lot during this video, mainly because I'm not at my usual home back where I go to university, so I don't have my microphone, and I'm recording this with my laptop's microphone as last week, and I realized that the sound quality is a bit horrible, so I decided to keep on not talking too much while I stay back home. Hopefully this only will be for this week, and next week you'll have a good voiceover and I will think of a proper theme to talk about. So I will let you enjoy the painting. I hope you guys like it, and I also want to apologize before leaving of me putting my head on top of the painting. I really didn't realize that. I usually just come very close to the painting and don't realize I'm stepping out of the video's way. So I'm sorry about that. If you see little hairs flowing around, that's me. I'll leave you to listen to some music, and I hope you have a nice weekend. Bye!